How to launch a HuFi campaign. First, you'll need to stake HMT. This must be done with your wallet on the same network where you want to launch the campaign. You can do this by visiting staking.humanprotocol.org. Next, make sure your wallet has enough balance. You'll need funds to pay gas fees for creating the campaign and to fund the campaign itself, which will be used as the reward pool for participants. Once that's set up, head over to dashboard.hu.finance. On the top right, click Connect Wallet. Select the wallet you want to connect and finish the process. Once connected, your wallet address will appear here and the Launch Campaign button will become available. Before you move ahead, double-check that you're on the correct network. You can do this by clicking on the Chain selector. Now click Launch Campaign to begin. This will open a form where you'll enter the details of your campaign. Let's go over each field you'll need to fill out. Choose the exchange where you want the participants to generate trading volume. Select the trading pair. This is the pair of tokens participants will trade. Pick the start date of your campaign. If you choose today, it will begin right away. Otherwise, it starts at midnight UTC on the selected date. Select the end date. This is when your campaign will finish. Choose the token you'll use to fund the campaign. This is the reward token that participants will earn. Enter the total amount you want to put into the escrow. This will be split across the campaign's duration to form a daily reward pool. Remember, the higher the reward, the more excited participants will be. Set a daily trading volume target measured in the quote token. If participants hit or exceed this target, the full daily reward pool is distributed. If they fall short, rewards are shared proportionally. Click Create Campaign. Next, you'll need to approve 3 transactions to complete your campaign setup: the escrow creation, fund transfer, and the setup, where your campaign details are passed. After confirmation, you can click on the View Campaign Details page button to see all the campaigns you've launched.